Five, how are you today? We're gonna talk more about the body systems. All right, so this week we're gonna start with the skeletal system. So, what is the skeletal system? The skeletal system, it's everything that has to do with bones. All right. So, in today's video, you're gonna learn the different reasons why it is so important, and then in another video, you're gonna learn more about the bones. So, today's objective number one, to understand why the skeletal system is so important. And the second objective is to learn the names of different bones in our body. So let's talk about the first objective. Why is our skeletal system so important? First, you need support. So let's pretend that you have your body and you don't have bones. What happens if you don't have bones? Well, for sure, you're just gonna fall. You cannot live without your bones. You need your bones. It's support for your entire body. So let's have an example. Why did I put this bridge just right here? Well, a bridge, you need all those different parts in the bridge to have support. If you don't have the necessary support, the bridge is going to fall. So you really need support inside your body, and the bones are that support. Second, well, the skeletal system is very important because it allows you to move. So without the skeletal system, it will be impossible to move around. So that means you cannot walk, you cannot run, you cannot dance like Mr. Daniel, or you cannot actually play outside. Very important for movement. Number three, why it's so important? Because the skeletal system actually has a really important function in terms of cell production. So you need your bones, because your bones, inside your bones, you're gonna create, or it's going to support the production of cells. Ça va t'aider à produire des cellules. The skeletal system is very important. Then, I think that you already know what happens if, let's say, I punch my arm, or I punch just right here on the ribs. Well, if I punch too hard, and let's say my heart, it's just right here without the bones, well, the heart is not protected. So the fourth thing why the skeletal system is so important is because we need protection. We are protecting the organs inside, okay? We are protecting the heart, the lungs, and everything inside. Even our digestive system sometimes is protected by the back. So make sure that you have strong bones so you can protect very well your organs. And fifth, well, actually this is it's like support, but it's not exactly the same thing. It's when all your bones are attached to the muscles and the tendons, or more specifically, the tendons and the muscles. Make sure that you have everything connected. So it maintains that support. Ça va maintenir en fait tous tes os ensemble. Donc le support et le maintien sont très importants dans ces deux cas-là. Le maintien, ça va pouvoir te maintenir dans le mouvement que tu veux. Okay. So now, what I want you to do is, we're done with this first video, but you will have a second one to watch. So it's a YouTube video about the different parts of the body and the skeletal system, and you're going to learn the different names. So you should go watch the video, then you should create a sketch note, and finally you should answer the quiz that I'm gonna put on Classroom. So make